Hi folks, Joseph Kursky here with you with MapTie on to talk about ArcGIS Reality, creating accurate digital representations of the physical world. Now, ArcGIS Reality from Esri is a suite of photogrammetry software products designed to enable reality capture workflows for sites, cities, and countries, regions. Create a key component of your 3D digital twin with ArcGIS Reality. Turn drone, UAV, aerial, and satellite imagery into visually stunning and highly accurate maps and 3D models. Interact with a digital world that shows places and situations as they truly are, layered with geospatial data that enriches reality with greater context. Let's look at a few demos of these. Not only are they visually stunning, but they touch on what I frequently talk about in these videos, that GIS shows things how they have been, how they are, and how they could be. How could this waterfront be developed for the future so that it is vibrant, its tourist routes continue into the future, and then also that its commerce can continue. The commercial aspect of these waterfronts. But fascinating to explore, for example, Boston, the Boston Common, the Old North Church out here. Let's take a look at that. There it is. In its representation in this ArcGIS Reality project or product, ArcGIS Reality product. You can see the sensors, the platform, and so on. Oh, this is just absolutely fantastic. As a teaching tool, it's great to show students the interaction and the integration of BIM, CAD, and GIS, building information management, computer-aided drafting and design, and GIS. It's also good to show, okay, if we developed site A over here, what should we do with it? If this is looking like a cemetery to me right here. Okay, if that's a cemetery, how do we protect the tree species that are there, etc.? What about this block of residences? Could this parking lot be developed in such a way that it is maybe underground, or we've got some development on top of that, where we're maybe losing some precious space here to the fact that there's cars there? Maybe we could put the cars in a underground situation, underground lot, and put something on top of that. What's our vision for the future of this community, and how can we use GIS to examine cities, places, regions, sites around the world? This is obviously Boston, but we can take a look at San Diego here and other places that you can see in this particular demo. I love it for its teaching purposes. I love it for its integration of different GIS and interior and exterior space mapping tools. And I also love it for what we just touched on about how do we effectively plan, for example, this place right here in San Diego, how do we plan for its effective future? Thanks for being with me on this shallow dive into ArcGIS Reality, but I encourage you to show some of these demos to your students. I encourage you to use these tools in your own work. I encourage you to explore geospatial technology to see how it can help and benefit your organization, whether it's a private company or a nonprofit organization or a government agency or a university or college. I encourage you to use these tools to, again, envision a future that is sustainable and resilient, and also to enable that future to happen. Thanks.